at this guy's bumper, man. Oh my panda, this guy's whole front is just... Keep this in mind. Just down the street is a school. And these high school kids, they come here and they smoke marijuana. And I'm always trying to figure out how are they getting marijuana. And it turns out there's someone in this park that is selling pre-rolls to teenagers. I think NYPD and the parents of these children at the school need to be aware. So this is what YouTube does when they do ad breaks. They do these automatic adjustments. Look at this. Look at this, everyone. YouTube just put more work to your workflow. This is ridiculous, YouTube. Like, this is what you do every single time. And look at this. Who put that many ads in the video? You gotta be kidding me. This is YouTube being greedy. Look at this. Yeah, man, you're like literally holding up that traffic going the wrong way. Both of you. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. People going the wrong way down the wrong way street in New York City. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, what you're seeing is the mini studio. Got the Y angle on this time. Look at that. No notification still. My iPhone still not found. Guys, I was just walking, right? I'm by the hostel. Actually, I'm just a few blocks. Just taking a little walk. So I checked in the hostel. And then this is what I found as I was walking just around, because I smell fire, so I'm trying to trace where that smell is coming from. And there's a community fridge right here that is not listed on the community refrigerator near NYC. Look at that. There's a community refrigerator right here, everyone. And it's not even listed. It is run separately to an organization. That's their Instagram. That's their website. Guys, please donate vegan food here, please. Oh, guys, I wanted to record this, but it's kind of too late. You see those two people walking right now? Yeah. This young lady just asked me, can I buy her some marijuana for the smoke shop? I was like, no, you're underage, my dear. How dare you ask me to buy you marijuana? What's wrong with you young people? So just a moment ago, we had an experience with this door for the woman that had a stroller, right? And I'm telling her, like, people have been trying to get this open for the last, like, 10 minutes. And mind you, it's because the homeless dudes jiggy rig it somehow to get it stuck. So that's how they make their money, because they know how to, like, open it. Apparently, either they got something scheme going on with this door. Mind you, this has been going on for, like, fucking years, ever since I've been coming back and forth to, like, Brooklyn and New York City. Like, especially in this area, East Williamsburg area. But, like, yeah, they jiggy rig this shit all the time. It's like the homeless scam. It took me less than like 1 minute coming out from my hostel to find all this Mylar on the streets. So you got an iPhone Mylar, and I'm collecting these for a friend, and I have so many. So with that said, everyone, these are recycled. So if you ever see one of these, pick them up, save them for me, contact me so I could give them to a friend. I guess my videos have shed some light on how dirty this floor was. And now it's clean. Well, I already cleaned it with my own cleaning supplies. But, yeah, this floor needs to be clean, friends. This place has been very filthy and very dirty. So this is the third time that the splash filter came off the magnetic mount that I have on my phone. And now I officially lost not only the splash filter, but I lost the 2.0 lens cap. And let me tell you why. Because the lens cap is so heavy on the splash filter that it forces the splash filter to come off easily. So I've been trying to not have that happen, and tonight it happened. I lost it. Because every time it comes off or it turns and it's not really on the magnetic. So the splash filter is probably the weakest filter out of all the filters when it comes down to the magnetic. This is not criticism, this is just from my experience using it. And right now I've been looking all over the place because I got on the train before, ladies and gentlemen, I got on the train and I had it. Well, before I got on the train, I had it. So what happened was, when I was running for the train, it came off. And mind you, the splash filter was on first. And I've been having issues with the splash filter coming off too easily. And that is my issue with the splash filter. Now, I looked everywhere because, mind you, we just did a live stream with the filter coming from the ramen shop down the street. And I didn't go anywhere else but here. So I got back on the train to come back the opposite way to check the station. And nope, it's not here. I guess someone picked it up. Don't know why would someone pick it up, but I've been looking for it. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm officially an idiot. And lost the 2.0 Maven filter and the splash filter. I like the splash filter, but the flash filter is the weakest filter in my opinion. But yeah, I checked everywhere. Even the homeless guy was like, nope, didn't see anything. And I said, you sure didn't see something that looks like a lens? He's like, nope. And a blue cap, nope. So I'm not sure where I lost it between. I stopped the video. Mind you, I stopped the video on that corner.
And then I stopped here. I didn't go anywhere else. Then I got on the train. So I don't understand where it is, because that's what just happened if you watch my last live stream. So just for the record, I just want to make sure that everyone understands. And Maven Filters, yeah, think yeah, that's, I knew the second time was like the last time. The third time was like, that's it. Oh my panda, I almost lost it last time. But with that said, everyone, this is my experience.